Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the big Olympia typewriter here this morning. And it's got a bent platen knob. Get this thing to focus up here. So, this took some kind of it was dropped or something. The back panel here is bent a little bit. And this knob end was shattered and is bent, so you can see it rolling up and down like that. So we don't want to try to straighten that out a little bit. So I already took it apart and actually already glued this back together. That crack right there split in half. And now I'm going to put some metal pieces in here and some epoxy, and this will be stronger than new. So that'll be fixed. It's halfway fixed already. So the rest of the problem is this shaft is bent, and I want to try to fix this a little bit at least. It's probably not that bad. It works. It's not binding at all. So take the knob off here. It also had this sleeve in here too that goes in there like that, but we want just to get to the shaft right here, and we can see that is still bent. So I wanted a long tube to go on here, and I was going to use it for leverage. The only thing I could find was the flashlight with a tube. So I'm going to stick this on here and use it for leverage. So we're going to find the high spot here and put it on top. So that's right about there. Right about there. So now we need to go straight down. So what I'm going to do with this right here, I'm just going to go see if I can form this down just a little bit. Yeah. I don't think it moved. Let's try it again. Again, I don't think it moved. I just don't want to bend it unnecessarily, so let's try it again. That moved a little bit. So let's put this on here and see if we can see it. Very little now. Might try a little more since I got that success. Right about there. It's hard to get these exactly right. Wow, I think I got it. Well, that's pretty good right there. All right, that's one way to fix a bent platen shaft. Oh, that's looking pretty good. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.